What is health science? Oh, you don't know? Let me teach you. My most memorable experience in this program is honestly just getting to know the residents inside of the facility. I think getting to know their everyday routines and getting to spend time with them was very meaningful. I think my biggest struggle in this program is a little bit of the staff members in the facility. They weren't very helpful and very encouraging when we were first coming into the facility and first learning how to really do our skills on real humans.
In this class, we learned to take urine out of drainage bags.
If you can handle very fast-paced environments, this is a program that does cause a lot of stress. So if you're not ready to have a lot of stress on your palate, to be continuously doing work every day, then I wouldn't recommend it for you. Hi, my name is Delaney, and today I'll be doing Yoselin's blood pressure and demonstrating it to you. Today we have our BB cuff and we also have our stethoscope today. Whenever we do blood pressure, we have to make sure that we wipe our ears, even if it is our own, but we just make sure that everything is clean. So I'll be wiping that. Then we will be putting the BP cuff onto her. And slowly release, listening for the first heartbeat. Last heartbeat at 72. That is a pretty low blood pressure. However, it's not too abnormal. Usually some people have very low blood pressure, but it's not anything to be concerned about. And that's it.
This program prepared me for the field with the clinical training. We got a lot of hands-on experience in the nursing home, and so whenever we were dealing with different patients, every patient has something different going on with them, and so we learned how to adjust our skills to that patient. The struggles I faced in the program were sometimes difficulty with the instructor, but I think once you get past that, you can really get your full experience from the clinicals and from the class.